Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove Google account from a Samsung phone without a password. Method 1. Use a professional FRP bypass tool. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Then navigate to iSunshare official website. iSunshare Android Password Genius has been designed with a powerful Samsung FRP lock bypass utility that can help users remove FRP lock on almost all Samsung phones and tablets. After downloading, install and launch it on your PC. Now click Unlock Google Lock. Select the Samsung brand. After that, hit Start. Select your device OS version. Generally, we will select the first option. And hit Next button. OK, go back to the emergency screen and get the diagnostic menu on your phone. Click Next on the software, waiting for the notification to be sent. Allow the USB debugging box. Well, the FRP lock is bypassed successfully. Now you can directly enter the Samsung phone and use it. Method 2. Use Google Find My Device feature to remove Google account. Go to Google Find My Device website. Then sign in to your Google account. OK, select your Samsung phone, choose and confirm to erase device. Sign into your Google account again. Sometimes, you need to verify it's you. Click Erase to confirm. The erasing process begins. Well, your phone restarts, and you can set it up now. That's all for the video.